Yes, dear people, hope you all are doing great. You know what time it is. It's time for another week analysis. And yeah, just let's get straight into it. It's been a good couple of weeks this trading month for June. Um, and yeah, it's been quite a good ride this month. So as you can see, I'm taking out that monthly chart. Why? Because we are at the end of this monthly candle. This monthly candle wants. This is the way it closes because on Monday it's a new monthly candle that opens. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So what we can see is that we did see this breaker structure once we took out that swing high that made this push lower. Then we took out that high, made a breaker structure, made a higher low. We left a CB so it could still use it as a resistance and still keep going down, but we needed to look at lower time frame and see what it wanted to do, right? So on the weekly here, this is the push that should have made a lower low, but instead we disrespected this this fair value gap. We blew right through, and yeah, from there we made another higher high, and then we took out that previous month low. PML, we took out that previous month low, and then we rejected it quite hard, right? As you can see, and now we do have our targets, these highs, which I do think will be targeted coming next. So nothing crazy there. So I am still very bullish on the DXY. I do feel that we should keep going higher to take out some external, some buy side liquidity, and possibly even pushing even further up to at least this 50% of this weekly fair value gap. And if we were to draw a fib, we can see that minus 0.27 extension is between more or less the end of the weekly fair value gap and this 50%. Yeah, so I'm still very bullish, which is why this will go to my, I'm still green on it, still bullish, right? Nothing too crazy there. Now we do have that Euro USD, which for me is very bearish. If you go to the monthly, low, a high, a lower high, or if you go like this, a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and price has returned to at least premium, and we saw this shift once we saw this low being taken out, lower high, and this is the target that we are expecting price to go down to. My expectations is for price to at least fill this monthly busy, make a lower low, push up from there to make a lower high, and then continuation. Based on this time frame. So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that we saw this swing low being taken out. We made this lower high, another swing high, and the swing lows. We are in this trading range, I would say, and this is our low hanging fruit, and even this monthly busy. Nothing too crazy there. So on euro, you only want to look for some shorts. There is no reason to take any longs. There is no logic behind that. So I have a feeling that we want to fill out this weekly CB and then continuation to the downwards, based on the way we just tapped and just easily swept these lows. So my target is this weekly CB. This is the low hanging fruit, I think. A lot of people, I do see, yeah, I do think that based on daily, we're still in a small bearish trend on daily and H4. H4 we are more or less respecting. So we tapped into this H4 CB, this one to six. Very beautiful trade. Tapped into this CB, made a higher low, made a shift. So we are so for me, based on how all of this looks, I would want price to, we have tapped into it, but I would say this will be a good long position. And we should target some buy side liquidity. if price even decides to get down to, this would be an even better entry, but yeah. But I do think that this will be a good long position. 1 to 4, and yeah, euro, and from there I would want to see price to just keep going up, because I do think that from here we should, from this weekly CB, we should just plummet, right? So yeah, that's it. So we can just write I'm bullish on this pair until price aggressively, however you spell this word. So I'm bullish on this pair until price reaches the weekly CB. From there I'm anticipating price to dump aggressively. Okay, so yeah, short term, bullish, bearish. Yeah, and that's euro. We do have the GU. I'll just make a quick one. GU, as I always said, GU doesn't look as bearish as euro, even though I'm anticipating the XY to keep pushing up. At this very moment, I can't say that for even so GU, let's start from the beginning. High, lower high, low, low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're making our lower high, lower low, maybe again, but we need to see something based on this. If you exclude this range, I do like this bullish range that we do have here. This is pound is strong, pound is strong, pound is strong. This is the monthly BC, right? Respecting it quite nicely, made this bullish engulfing. Now we do have this bullish order block. Let's change the color to weekly. We do have these down candles before exploding up, so I want to see price maybe return to this inverse So this is the play from me. I want to see price get down here, and then we should I do like this huge bearish candle. We do have this imbalance, so there's a reason why price should come back here and we should explode. And then this is our external liquidity that we are targeting. So for me there is no reason to, yeah, we are in a bearish trend currently. I would definitely look for some shorts. We do have these. Nah, you know what? This is just bearish. This is our area to look for some shorts. H4 CB, that's where I want to. So yeah. Channel liquidity, this is just buy side liquidity. For me, I would just buy to this top. But yeah, currently I'm very bullish on GU. There is no reason to look for some shorts. I do like this rejection. So we do have starting to feel some higher highs. So yeah. a good long area for me would probably be this is a good area to look for some longs. If you do take out this high, which we do have, I would say this is a, and we also do have this M15 BC. Bullish order block. So this is all internal liquidity. Here's our last, for me, our last POI equilibrium. So I would do like here risking 14.5 pips to gain 900 pips. So it's a good risk to reward. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I do like the fact that we do have some pound news, which for me would be the trigger to at least push it up to this area or push it even further down. So yeah, this is how you combine all the time frames, and you need to train your eyes to see some stuff. And yeah. This low should be protected since we have taken out some liquidity from this swing low. I could say the same stuff about this one, but it was some strange behavior this Friday, honestly. But yeah, you win, you lose, because this low, yeah. Yeah, so this is a GU. Same stuff here, you can see. I am bullish short term. Bam. AUD, let's do a quick one. AUD is a much slower pair, not moving as the same as GU and Euro, but there is nothing right now that tells me that AU should go up. we do have this. This is the monthly. If you're just comparing the bodies, yeah, we should have. Then there is this highs that made this this low, made a lower low, lower high, and then we have just more or less been very bearish. So that's also the reason why I'm still bearish on AU from this area. So I do think that we will take out this buy side liquidity, and this weekly CB should be our focus. But from here we could fill out this daily CB, but from there I do think that price should yeah, this one looks very bearish for me. We do have this small imbalance, but I don't think price will go down here. Previous weekly low, previous weekly high. This is all just buy side liquidity. I do think we need a some fundamental news to push up the price. I would want to see price return to this bullish order block, but yeah, it will be hard. This one is also a good risk to reward, a good swing trade. Risk 20 pips to gain and 94 pips. So 1 to 4.7 risk to reward. So yeah, that's good. Nothing too crazy there. I am very bullish until this area is taken. Okay. Yeah. I won't do any USD CAD. We can make a quick one. Nah, USD CAD for me is not as clear, but if I had a gun to my head, I would say that USD CAD should be a little bit more bullish. based on that the DXY, I am very bullish on DXY. Now we are in a premium. This is more or less consolidated only. Yeah, I'm a little bit more bullish on this pair. Okay, this is it. I hope you have a good trading month and a good trading year and a good trading career. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.